Yo, what is up everybody, and of course welcome back to ZeroFX, your number one mentor. In today's video I'm going to show you how to analyze the market using mainly your phone. Let me tell you one thing, you don't need to limit yourself. If you don't have a laptop, you can also use your phone to analyze the forex markets. And these are the trades that I'm going to be taking, and I'm going to explain step by step why I took these trades and what do we expect from these trades, because these are long-term trades. You get that? So if you realize that all these trades I gave them, I'm trading using a Kenya shillings account, and I told you you can also trade with your local currency. Thanks of course to Xness. Don't forget this video is being sponsored by Xness, and you'll find out that I gave all these trades, guys. You see, sell USD card, buy card JPY, buy AUD JPY. The reason why I'm making these videos, I want you to learn by what I take. You get that? So we're gonna start slowly by what? By AUD card, AUD JPY. Why I took that trade? You get that? So this is AUD JPY. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and of course join my Telegram group. If you want to be among those who receive my trades and be part of my lessons, of course don't forget to join my free Telegram group, and of course check my description. You'll find my WhatsApp number for any help, and of course don't forget that this video is being sponsored by Xness, so you can open your account using Xness, of course. Now, let me tell you one thing, guys. Why I tell you that you can also trade with your phone. So this is how I do analyze with my phone. Today is a Monday, so what I do is during weekends I first and look at the market using your laptop or your desktop. Okay, so that when you use a desktop, you can have a wider view about the market, mainly the structure of the market. You get that? That's mainly why I prefer also the laptop. But of course, you're not going to be moving with your laptop everywhere you go. Now, this is AUD JPY. Let's start with this. I told you when you're analyzing the market, start first of all with the high time frames. If you look at weekly time frames, basically you see that last week the sellers were very strong, and we don't really expect a strong bullish momentum. You get that? But because of what you call in a retracement, that's why I took this trade. Now let's go to day one. We look at day one. How was it? You can see why I took this trade, guys. I want you to look at this type of structure in the market. You can see this, you can see this, you can see this. We have a big head and shoulder in daily time frame, but there is one thing that was always beating my mind. This lower lows, 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 this lower lows. Why is price touching the same point in the market? So I have to mark that point as my point of attachment. You get that? That is where I'm marking that point, because I was asking myself, why is price coming to the same level? It's like this, guys. Look at this. Why is price coming to the same level? What is so special about that price? You get that? Means there's a strong resistance for this. Until price breaks this point, that's when we shall have a long sell to break this overall structure. Remember, the structure is a head and shoulder, but we need time to break it. You get that? So for price, if price comes back up to here and we see rejection candles on H1 and H4, that's why I took this trade. So let's go to what? To H4. Let's see what I saw in H4. In H4 we could see the same thing, guys. You see, that's why I marked in H4 the same thing. So many touches. You get that? So many touches. Price is repeating at the same point. That's why I took that trade. You get that? Look at that. Look at that. I want you to just look at that. That is in H4. You can see that. You see that? How many touches are we seeing, guys? I hope you can see this. Why I'm saying this is, look at this. Price broke that point. You get that? And after breaking that point, it moves up to make head and shoulder. If you follow it very well, then if you come to this point, price is retracing and respecting again this same point. You get that? This same point here. You see this point that I've marked here. You see this point that I've marked here? This was a breakthrough of price. This is the point that price is respecting several times. You can see this. You can see that. You can see those touches. How many touches? 3. Let me tell you one thing, guys. If you see something like 3 touches, there's a high chance that it will first buy. Even if it's gonna sell, but there's high chance that the retracement will be big. You get that? But if price breaks the 3 touches, that's when I know that I'm going to be going so deep in the market, so deep low. But because of this retracement, I'm going with it. You get that? That is why I took that trade. If you check even on H1, the same thing, guys. The same thing. You see that? So one thing that I told you guys is, there is nothing like which time frame is very powerful. All time frames are very important because they show you a specific stuff about the forex, about the market. So if all time frames, now let's say if all time frames are showing the same thing, then why can't you jump into the market, guys? So that was AUD/JPY. Let's go now to CAD/JPY before I close my trades. See that trend? I'm gonna be closing CAD/JPY. Why am I gonna be closing CAD/JPY? Is because of this dangerous rejection candle here. You get that? Now if you look at CAD/JPY, sorry guys, if you look at CAD/JPY, you could see that sorry guys, if you look at CAD/JPY, I want you to look at this. Look at this, look at the weekly. I think even look at the weekly. Just a moment guys, just a moment. Look at weekly. If you look at weekly, you can see that in the weekly chart, the sellers were still strong in the market. You can see this. You can see this candle. The sellers are still strong in the market, but because of the behavior of price, we know that yes, it's okay. The sellers are still strong in the market, but there is something so special about weekly. You can see this pullback. You can see that. Yeah, so there is a possible rejection in the market. Now if we go to daily, see daily, I didn't see nothing, I didn't see something so much in daily, but there was still the same thing that I told you guys, touches in the market. You get this, let me tell you that. You see this, you get that, and then maybe price can really fall. You get that, but it takes time for it to fall. So we have to get some pips from it. But now if you come to H4 was so clear guys that your stop loss would be so small. Why? Is you can see this, the same thing in the market. See this, lows. You get that? All those lows in the market. So I'm expecting price to actually reach here, but I don't know whether price will reach there because I'm going to be closing some of the trades. Why I'm going to be closing some of the trades in CAD/JPY is because of this guys. This rejection candle is very powerful and very dangerous. This rejection candle, I won't be able to hold that, to hold this buy for long. I'll just close some, but what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for this next candle to close. If this candle closes in a bearish way, then I'll close all the trades. But if it closes above this rejection candle, then I'll still hold the trades. You get that? So let's go to, guys, I'm in the mood of talking to this chick of mine. Let's go to USD CAD. Now if you come to USD CAD, let me try to first clean off my chart so that I real mark for you very well. Like this, like that. Okay, now if you come to USD CAD, I want you to look at USD CAD clearly, guys. USD CAD is so special. I'm gonna be making a video on my PC so that you understand it more better. Why I'm saying USD CAD is so special to me right now. So I want you to realize that the structure of the market is very powerful. You get that? And I want you to see, so I don't know whether you can see this, guys. What do you see? Do you see the head and shoulder first here? This is a head and shoulder. You get that? Now I'm going to be marking my peaks of the head and shoulder first. You get that? What was my peak? You can see that was our peak where the candle stopped. You get that? Where the candle stopped, we don't mark our rejection candle as the peak because price was disrespected from there. You get that? And then what was the biggest retracement? Biggest retracement was this and this. So I mark my biggest retracement. I've marked my biggest. So I just want to show you how to use your phone, guys. You don't need to blame your tool. You get that? So you can see that, okay, this was a nice sell. Yes, there was a break in structure of the market. It broke the structure of the market and it fell. So now we have confirmed that this is a sell. Okay, I don't know whether you guys remember what I told you, that a bearish flag represents a continuation of a trend. You get that? A bearish flag represents a continuation of a trend, and this is a nice bearish flag, guys. Can't you see this? Can't you see this? Let me show you. Can't you see this, guys? Can't you see this? That's a nice bearish flag, but let me draw it for you so that you can see it very well. Let me just come here, and I'm gonna be showing you why I'm gonna be taking this sell for a long time. I'm gonna be always focusing on sell on this one. Sorry, I made a mistake on that one. I think I'm gonna first delete this. I hope you've seen the way I'm drawing, guys. I draw it again here. you make sure you include some few touches. Okay, you don't need to be so accurate there. So now the most important thing is, you see, when this happens, and then when you start seeing now tops like 3, just know that there is a reversal coming in. You get that? So now that's why I saw these tips. You see these tops, the 3 tops that I'm gonna mark here. Let me mark using an angle. Let me mark using the rectangular shape. You can see those are the 3 tops. Those are the 3 tops that I'm seeing there. You get that? That is why I'm saying that this thing has to sell. And where am I expecting my take profits? Here. You see here, guys, this is where my take profit is, and this is what I'm expecting in the market. As I'm showing you the direction up to there, down. That's what I'm expecting the price to do. So I hope you've understood how to analyze using your phone, and I hope you won't blame your phone again. Don't forget that these trades were given on my paid group. If you want to be part of my paid group, of course, check my Telegram. Join my free group, of course, so you don't miss most of my updates. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, leave a comment. Did this video help you? If you feel this video really helped you, please leave a comment and let me know where you're watching this video from. I wish you all the best, guys. See you next time, guys. Bye.